Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program that is write a recursive function to print a string backwards in a Python. So you have to write a recursive function to print the string backwards by character. So in order to print a string backwards, so you have to use -1, that is index -1, and also in order to trim the that is last character and call the another recursive function, so you have to use :-1. So you have to do two things over here, that is print the string backwards by character and also keep trimming the values, that is last character. So yeah, so let's define a function, that is function is back, and give some variable name, that is a string over here, that is a input function, that is input to the function. So this will contain a string, and yeah, so let's try to print the character by character from the backwards. So in order to print the string backwards, let's use try block. So let's use a print statement, and so yeah, so let's give text of, that is -1, in order to print only a single character, and let's use end equals to give an empty string, and also you have to return the, that is call the function again back. So in order to call the function, so you have to give a variable by trimming the last value, that is :-1 will give us the character by trimming the, that is gives the string by trimming the last character. And yeah, so you have to accept a catch an exception, that is index error. So if the index error comes, that means you have reached the starting of the string, and what you have to do is just return 0 to the calling function, that is itself. So yeah, so this completes the Python recursive function to print the string backwards in Python. So yeah, so let me ask a user to enter a input string. So let me take a variable data equals to, so let's use user to enter a string. Yeah, so once the user enters a string, so we have to call the function, that is back, and pass the input variable, that is data. So this will print the string in backwards. So let's execute this, and let me show you how it works. So enter a string, so let's say hello. So you can see the string in the backwards, it has been printed, that is O is printed first, and then double L, and E and H. Yeah, so now let me run it again. So now let me give this bigger string, that is headline itself, and let's try to print it. So we can see the string in backwards has been printed, that is no, this is Python in backwards string. Yeah, you can see write a recursive function to print a string backwards in Python. Yeah, so this is how you try to print a string backwards using a recursive function in Python. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.